Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam for those of you who are new here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I use my favorite iPad Pro apps and accessories for work, creativity, and general everyday purposes. To begin, here are the accessories that I feel have significantly improved my workflow and overall experience when using the iPad Pro. The Apple Pencil may seem like a rather obvious accessory, but I had to include it on this list. It's just something that makes the iPad Pro entirely worth it, in my opinion. I find that switching up my workflow from typing to writing with the Apple Pencil is extremely satisfying, therapeutic, and often keeps me better focused on the task at hand. This hub has been an absolute game changer for me. It comes with one USB-C adapter, which I use to charge my iPad, a standard USB port, which I've been using to plug in the wireless mouse that I'll show you guys in a sec, an SD/TF card reader, a headphone jack, and a 4K HDMI port. It also comes with a magnetic strip, which prevents it from ejecting on its own. Depending on your case, the magnetic clasp might not latch onto your iPad, but after using it, I find it is quite sturdy without it and hasn't ever ejected on its own. This Logitech Keyboard has made the biggest difference in terms of speeding up my workflow. With this keyboard, you can pair up to 3 different devices, all via Bluetooth. I have my iPad, work, and personal laptops all paired on their own presets, and switching between devices takes less than 5 seconds. This is the wireless mouse that I mentioned before. It is a rechargeable wireless/Bluetooth mouse from Jellycomb. This has been so ideal for me as I regularly switch between my iPad, work computer, and personal computer. I've been plugging the nano receiver into my iPad via the USB-C port on the hub attachment, and then I have my work and personal laptop paired on their own Bluetooth settings. While I love the Jellycomb mouse, I find that using an iPad without a trackpad can be somewhat of a cumbersome process, as so many features call for the trackpad gestures, which just aren't possible to execute with a mouse alone. One of the main ways that I use my iPad Pro is as a second monitor, either with a stand or more recently just by standing it up with the case itself. Sidecar allows you to use your iPad as a second display by easily dragging and dropping whatever window from your laptop/computer to your iPad and vice versa. Clickload transforms your iPad screen into a super aesthetic digital clock on command. Once it's open, Clickload will prevent your iPad from further locking and remains on your screen indefinitely until you choose otherwise. For taking handwritten notes, annotating PDFs, and articulating my thoughts, GoodNotes has been my go-to app specifically for its Apple Pencil features. I personally do not have neat handwriting, so features such as resize, recolor, line detector, and shape detector have all been key in allowing me to jot down and organize my notes in a comprehensive and consumable manner. When writing and maintaining my typed notes, I use Agenda. Agenda allows you to organize your notes by date and integrates with your calendars and reminders to give you a comprehensive view of your schedule, upcoming meetings, events, and so on. I love having the ability to assign dates to each note and to review my calendar while doing so that if I'm preparing for a meeting in the future, I can easily look to see when the day of the meeting is on my calendar and assign that same date to the note itself. Agenda also allows you to create reminders within notes themselves, and these further sync with iCloud reminders, which then integrates with Things 3 or any other app that has integration capabilities with the iCloud reminders. This allows me to automate the process of transferring my to-dos from my notes to my to-do list app. Things 3 has become my current favorite app for tracking to-do lists and reminders. Things uses a relatively simple, minimalistic interface, but my favorite thing about Things 3 is by far its shortcut feature. The keyboard shortcuts work extremely well on all devices, and this allows me to seamlessly manage and schedule short-term and long-term tasks. As mentioned before, by integrating with reminders, I'm able to import reminders from my notes and agenda to my inbox to further align to various tags, lists, and dates. I currently have 4 different workspaces in Notion, and the one I use most by far is my content workspace. This is where I plan, organize, brainstorm, schedule, and overall manage all aspects of the end-to-end video creation process, from production to posting videos on this YouTube channel. My content management workspace is based off of Thomas Frank's template. Since first coming across this template, I built out this workspace to customize it more towards my workflow preferences and content style. The page that I use most is the dashboard, where I have views of my master content tracker filtered on the current video, so that way I have quick access to my video script, outline, B-roll list, remaining to-do list, the description, and everything else that pertains to the video video, all of which I house in Notion for each. I can spend hours talking about my different workspaces, especially the content ones, so if you guys would like to see an additional video dedicated specifically to Notion and how I organize my different workspaces, definitely let me know in the comment section. Stoic has been my app of choice for stream of consciousness type journaling, as I love the minimalistic UI and all of the incredible features that it comes with. This includes daily mood check-ins, exercises for meditation, deep breathing, visualization, as well as loads of guided journaling prompts readily available. I've been opting to journal via the empty page feature, but both guided prompts and blank slate entries allow you to attach photos or handwrite with the Apple Pencil. Since I've been creating tons of thumbnails lately, I've been just adding B-roll graphics or whatever I do that day to each journal entries. I feel like it will be a great way to reflect and to be far more mindful. My favorite feature in Stoic is a trends analyzer, which compiles insights from your daily mood check-ins to show you how you've been feeling over any specific period of time. Since recording this video, I've actually found even more apps that I love to use on the iPad Pro. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to share them with you. That concludes our video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions on apps below, and I will see you in my next video.